Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Installing Python on a MacBook Pro is a straightforward process, and you can follow these steps to get Python up and running on your machine. The following tutorial assumes that you have not installed Python before and will guide you through the process of installing Python using Homebrew, a popular package manager for macOS. If you don't have Homebrew installed, open Terminal and run the following command. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once Homebrew is installed, you can use it to install Python. In your terminal, enter the following command. This command will download and install the latest version of Python available through Homebrew. After the installation is complete, you can check the Python version to ensure everything went smoothly. In the terminal, type. This should display the version number of the Python interpreter installed. By default, the Homebrew-installed Python interpreter is accessed using the Python 3 command. If you prefer to use the Python command, you can create an alias. Open your shell profile file, example /bash_profile or /zshrc, using a text editor. For example, add the following line to the file. Save and close the file. Then, restart your terminal or run. Now, you can use the Python command instead of Python 3. It's good practice to use virtual environments to manage project dependencies. You can create a virtual environment using the following commands. Activate the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment, simply type. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python on your MacBook Pro using Homebrew and set up a virtual environment. You are now ready to start coding in Python on your macOS machine. ChatGPT.